How to mute and unmute someone's status updates in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to mute and unmute someone's status updates in WhatsApp. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch WhatsApp and make sure that you have signed into your account. Navigate to updates icon at bottom left corner of the screen. Here you will see all the latest updates of other people. So if you want to mute someone's status update in WhatsApp, long press on that particular status and then select mute option. Here you can see that we have successfully muted this user's status update in WhatsApp. To unmute someone's status update in WhatsApp, again you need to long press on it and then you can easily then you will access this muted update section where you have to again long press on the chat and select unmute. And we have successfully unmuted someone's status updates in WhatsApp. So in this way you will successfully mute and unmute someone's status updates in WhatsApp. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.